Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now, here's Ethan with our best pledge.
To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my emotions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach hard to be my best at Orchard Hollow.
Great job, Ethan. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. And now for our joke of the day. Why can't your nose be 12 inches long? Because then it would be a foot. A few health and safety reminders for our Huskies now that we are back in the building. Remember to wear your mask every day, completely covering your mouth and nose. Make sure that you're taking your mask breaks throughout the day with your class. Also remember, it's important to wash your hands frequently throughout the day, before and after lunch, and after you use the restroom. Also, it's important to use social distancing when moving from place to place in the building. We caught Miss McKinda's class doing an excellent job of social distancing in the hallway this week. And thank you to Silas for modeling good hand washing. Nice work, Huskies. A reminder that we are on our remote Wednesday schedule today. That means we have a shortened schedule. We begin our day promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day will end at 11:45.
Lunch to go to.
Make it a great day, Huskies!
We challenge Miss Liebenauer's class.
Problem one.
Make it a great day, Huskies. Mrs. Reed's class is challenging Miss Liebenauer's class to make it a great day. We can't wait to see your video next week.